I am Rain Katovich, and I'm from right here in Grand Forks. My favorite part would definitely be like physically flying the drone and controlling it and seeing the footage on the remote, like in the air. That was really cool.
I'm Hunter Hegel. I am the Vantis UAS operations lead. I pretty much oversee all the operations, both drone related and regulatory related. Alright, so we have our power button right here. We have our return to land if anything goes crazy while we're in the air. These sticks are going to be able to manipulate. We're going to see that the wind's out of the west, so we're going to take off from the west. Ready to take off?
Yep.
Sweet.
My name is Kaylee Stansberry and I'm from Enderlin, North Dakota. I would think like it would save a bunch of time if we had a life-threatening issue like medically.
I'm Anna Greedle and I'm from Starkweather, North Dakota. I think drones could help communities, and my community especially, because Victor was telling us about fires, how the drones can help show where like the hottest part of the fire is so firefighters can accurately put it out.
I am Victor. When we go out and fly drones, we're not going out there to look in people's windows, get a sense of what they're doing in their backyards and things like that, where the public is most worried about. We're here to help public safety,